Hello, Namaskar. Welcome back to my channel. Note to all the new learners. First, the video is mirrored so you can do as it is shown. Second, do not stress yourself at the beginning. You can slowly practice and make it perfect. Third, focus on the correct posture and then start the step. So let's begin with the warm-up exercises. Let's start with high knees. Do this exercise as fast as you can for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go to the second one. Split your legs as I have shown. Do not split it too far. Sit down a little and keep your body straight. Do not bend back or front. Keep the posture that I am showing. And move 2 steps to one side and 2 steps to other side. Keep doing it by increasing your speed. Let's move on to third one. Lift your one leg and try to touch it with both the hands. Keep a count of 10, pause and then repeat. Now let's move on to the step. Today we will learn the waist movement. First, keep your hands on your waist and try to move your waist from one side to other side. I'll show a clear view from the back side. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll tell you the trick for this movement. You can notice my posture when I'm moving my waist from one side to other side. Bend your leg opposite to your waist movement. So let's start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to increase your speed and practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this exercise as a warm-up exercise also. Keep increasing your speed and keep practicing. Let's move on to the second one. Next we will learn some body waves. This is a movement from center to side, center to side. In this video, first we will learn the neck movement and the whole body movement. I am separating the videos because it will be difficult for the new learners to learn at the same time. In my next video, we will be learning torso movement, which we will utilize in this wave. So let's start. Bend your neck and center. Bend your neck and center. Take your neck first, body and center. Neck, body and center. Try repeating the same and you will get the perfect body movement, and keep practicing till you are perfect. Let's start with the third one. In this video we will learn the front wave and in the next videos we will learn the back wave. Bend your body forward and center. Forward and center. Push forward and center. Try bending back a little and center. Backward movement we'll learn later. First we'll go with the front. Push your body forward, face up and straight. Forward, push up and straight. This wave also contains the torso movement, but we will learn it in the later videos like this. So we will learn it in our next video. So keep practicing. We will move on to our fourth one. In this body movement, we will move our body whole 360 degree. You move from side, center, side, back and center. You can repeat it side, front, side, back, center. As you can see, it is a 360 degree movement. At the beginning, don't take your body too much backward because you may not be able to balance your whole body. Let's repeat it with the other side and continue doing the movement. Make 2 rounds on each side and repeat it again. Try increasing your speed. And keep practicing till you are perfect. So wrapping up with this, in my next video we'll be learning the torso movement and we will learn how well it can go with the movements that we have learned today. I hope you liked my video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe by clicking the red button below for more upcoming videos. Do like and share my videos and do not forget to share your views in the comment section below. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe and take care.